Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Hey everybody, as you can see, the 1948 Willys pickup is coming along really great. Today we're able to mock up the bed to the cab, first time in a long time, and of course with the 2000 Escalade frame and suspension, we have to change some stuff around. But we are pleasantly surprised how it sits. For height and such, we'll be able to drop under 33-inch wheels if we want to go that big. There's plenty of clearance, and things are looking really, really good. Okay, what we are doing, we're putting in the artificial bed, the structure that's going to hold this bed in place. With the Willys Jeep, normally it is a steel box. The bed is steel, the sides are steel. We're putting in a wood bed, and this box is a little bit, needs a different floor because of the 2000 Escalade suspension and frame that's underneath it. So this is the start of the structure for the wood bed to go on, and this is what holds the bed in place. So it's getting that done, perfect. Awesome. We're almost clearing now.
Oh, we are cleared. This has got. I still gotta cut this off.
That's all I wanted to check.
Yeah, quarter inch.
We're not thinking, we're engineering.
Don't you?
Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs. Had a great day today. Zach and Trevor were able to get the entire bed together, all of the spot welds done to hook on all of the truck box pockets. So everything's together, everything's steady. Now, this is getting a wood bed versus the steel bed. So we're doing things a little bit different. And with the 2000 Cadillac frame underneath it, we also need to move the bed up. We're going to lose about 1 inch out of the bed, so not a lot at all. We put in a framework, if you will. Everything's divided into quarters. So the wood bed, we haven't decided on cherry, oak, walnut, will sit right on top of those braces. And then we will take and build a mount system from the brand new frame up to the box frame. So we'll have a mount coming up in 6 different spots to mount the box to the frame. So it's going to turn out really, really nice. Again, today was a great day. We got a ton accomplished, and it's finally coming together. For a long time, we're like, is this a pickup truck? Is it, you know, it just without the bed? It looked odd. We've worked with the cab forever. Now having the box together, great, great day. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to get everything wrapped up. By midday, we're going to have the media blaster here. He's going to clean up all of what we have done here and rock and roll. And then in a week, the place that media blasts our frame and powder coats, they're going to be ready for us. Right now they have a bunch of jobs in the pocket, so we have to wait a week for them. Then the frame will go off, have that media blasted. It's going to be beautiful. A lot coming together. About time. A lot of work went into this, but it's looking really good. Appreciate each and every one of you tuning in. Remember, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, share it. That's appreciated. And if you have an ordinary vehicle sitting around that you want to make legendary, send us a message. Love to talk to you about a project that you have in mind. See if we can help you out. Again, Chris with Legendary Custom, along with Zach and Trevor, the Legendary team. Each and every one of us appreciate you. Thanks much. Until the next episode.